Download to installing HavenDOS. When you first boot, you get to the install screen and you need to pick your blank disk and type yes. Then it will automatically reboot. If I say remove your ISO, boot it again, and follow the setup step. You can see the setup. It's very easy and straightforward. It's not that hard. Everybody should be able to do it. And you log into your account, you can see with the time and the theme, the version, you have your system checks. And then you will go into the shell and type the netstat command just to test something. Then you curl example.com, but that won't work because the TCP is still broken. Ping works. Then we go to the package manager and here we can install some weird stuff. Here we making a little boot language script that we can use in this CLI shell. Here you can see it works. And with the help command you can see what you can do with boot language. Quick reference. We're going to print ln hello, and then you see hello new line. Then this is the test, and then we reboot. Ciao.